So we got something big on here. Take and drag. Oh shit. There we go. That's where I wanted it anyway. Okay. Now we're reeling on it. Took quite a bit of line. It might be a nice little toonie. Woohoo! Yeah, I don't know, this GoPro isn't really aimed right. Try to do the best I can, guys. We're gaining. I just didn't have this jacket on. Turn this seat a little bit more here. There we go. Pretty sure nice tuna the way it was run. I don't know if it's a skipjack or little shibi yellowfin. 5-inch lure. Let's get my gaff ready here. We be gaffing this one, will you? Try to get it back in the gimbal here. There we go. It's a little better. It might have been worth the run down here. Staying down like a nice spinner. Let's see. Skipjack, they got real soft mouths, so I don't want to tear it out. There we go. There are a lot of sharks in this area, so I'm going to try to get them up as fast as I can. Woohoo! Pulling hard. There we go. Whew. I don't know what I'm gonna do to get a big ahi on. Look at all these fuckers, just birds. Look at the birds. I don't know if you can see them through the sun, but there is a pile. We're not to the top shot yet, so there's the top shot. Yay! I don't have any color yet. Strong little bastard. Oh man, are they feeding out there? Look at those birds. Back to the fish. Back to the fish. I can see my lure. Okay, there's the fish. I see him. Tato maybe? fish are just splashing like crazy out there. Okay, now we're to the leader. Oh, that's a nice fucking nice shibi. Really nice shibi. Really nice yellowfin. All right, don't fuck it up. Come on. Oh, yikes, 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 yikes. Whoa. We need more rod holders in this boat. Get her in the rod holder. Okay. Back the drag off a bit in case it runs. Oh, bad gap shot. Oh, there we go. How's that one, Mom? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Has about 30 pounds. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. And no cussing, Mom. Love you.